Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something that is affecting wallets all across America. The double whammy of rising interest rates and the explosion of financial tech, or Fintech. Let's break down what this means for you. Have you noticed how easy it is to get a loan these days? With just a few taps on a Fintech app, money can be in your account in minutes. This convenience is a game changer, and it's no surprise that online lending is growing at a massive speed. It's quick, it's accessible, and it's right there on your phone. But here's where things get tricky. At the same time, the Federal Reserve has been raising interest rates to manage the economy. If you have a credit card balance or a variable rate mortgage, you've probably felt this already. Your monthly payments might be creeping up, and that debt you thought was manageable is suddenly feeling a lot heavier. So what happens when these two trends collide? For many families, it's a perfect storm. The rising cost of borrowing puts a serious squeeze on household budgets. That higher interest rate means more of your money goes toward paying off interest, not the actual loan. This increases the risk of falling behind on payments, something bankers and financial advisors are watching very closely. The convenience of Fintech is a major plus, offering quick access to funds when you need them. But it also means we have to be more disciplined than ever. That instant approval can be tempting, but without a solid budget, it's easy to borrow more than you can comfortably repay, especially when interest rates are on the rise. It's crucial to understand the terms and make sure the repayments fit within your financial plan. Managing your finances in this new landscape is all about balance. Embrace the technology that makes life easier, but always stay informed about the broader economic picture. Create a budget, track your spending, and be cautious about taking on new debt when borrowing costs are high. Small, smart decisions today can make a huge difference for your financial health tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the financial world. We'd love to have you as part of our community. See you in the next video.